Welcome to MyLOFT. MyLOFT Universal Search enables you to find any subscribed journal, ebook or database at title level along with the open access articles at keyword level. You can write a keyword and click enter. The system will provide you all the results from subscribed content, open access articles and saved articles on a single screen. You may click on a specific subscribed content and get direct access to the content. Further on the left-hand side, you can use filters to reach more relevant content. By clicking on Open Access Articles, you get access to open access articles which the system provides you on keyword basis. You may click on an article to get abstract, link to full text and link to PDF. Click on the Cite icon to get the citation in different styles, or you may export it directly to the reference manager. Through the third tab, Saved Articles, you get access to the articles which you have saved in different folders on the same window. Further on the right-hand side, system provides you open access articles, considering the keyword as a subject. Enjoy exploring.